5 Best Air Conditioners. Here is the product number 5. Touchscreen Colourful Thermostat. Modbus Thermostat. Place of origin: mainland. Brand name: SML. Model number: SML 1000 GB. Type: HVAC systems. Power supply: 95-240 VAC, 50/60 Hz. Current load: maximum 16A for electric heater. Application: here is the product number 4. Touchscreen weekly stat for electric heating 16A. Heating 16A. Place of origin: mainland. Brand name: SmarterLink. Model number: SML 1000 GBW. Type: HVAC systems. Power supply: 95-240 VAC, 50/60 Hz. Current load: maximum 16A for electric heater. Communication: here is the product number 3. HVAC Environmental Control Sensor or NTC Sensor. 1 power 0.0 volts to 5.5 volts. 2 operating temperature range, minus 55 degrees Celsius to plus 125 degrees Celsius, 67 F to plus 257 F. 3 storage temperature range 55 degrees CC to plus 125 degrees Celsius, 67. Here is the product number 2. 95-2 for negative screen 5+2 weekly programmable. Weekly programmable. Indoor machine noise cells certification OHS, EMC, use room grade 5 cooling/heating condition. New model number SML 3000 air conditioning power. 1 horsepower car refrigerator type heating type boiler heating voltage, V90. Here is the product number 1. Touchscreen weekly Wi-Fi thermostat on and off control. On and off control. Place of origin: mainland. Brand name: SML. Model number: SML 1000 GDW, Bellier dry contact. Type: HVAC systems. Power supply: 95-240 VAC, 50/60 Hz. Current load: 3A. Application: gas boiler control. Housing color. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.